Module 4 continues with Part E, Notification External Commands. Notifications can make use of external commands. External commands can be Linux system commands or shell scripts, commercial or open source applications. The command this module will work with is logger. This is a Linux command that writes messages to var log messages. The command will be built in the file OpenNMS_home etc notification-commands.xml. In order to understand how the command is constructed, one must understand notification manager switches and logger arguments. The former are handled in the OpenNMS documentation, and the latter can be discovered with man logger, where man is the Linux manual page. The custom command configuration is documented in the operations documentation under Deep Dive, Notifications, Notification Commands. Scroll down the page a bit to find the section titled Valid Switches from Notification Manager. The key switch is -tm, which is the text message from the notification definition. This is basically the process that will be followed. First, keep it simple. This is a demo of the use of the external command, but it is not a demo of the full use of external commands. The first step is to demo the use of the logger command. Apply the command's full path and arguments in order to build its configuration in notification-commands.xml. Add the external command's name to a destination path. Use on-call flowers. Show the logger command and the results. This logger command is preceded by a date command so that the results in var log messages can be identified. There were a lot of tests done, and this will help isolate the results. The logger command will add the message "This is a test message" from the command line, preceded by OpenNMS to var log messages. Execute the commands. Note the time is 9:32 p.m. and view the end of var log messages using the tail-1 command. Tail-1 shows the last line of a file. In this case, the file is var log messages. Note the time is 21:32. Edit OpenNMS_home/etc/notification-commands.xml. This is a cut and paste op, and it needs to be cleaned. Reading down the command entry. This is a binary command. From the comment line, the command will log notices to var log messages. The command will execute user bin logger. No arguments will be streamed, that is, piped into user bin logger. The first argument is -t, and it takes a value OpenNMS. This is the combo that will prepend OpenNMS to each line output to var log messages. The final argument is -tm, which is the notification's text message. Save and close this file. Send an event to reload the daemon config, where the daemon name is notifd. In the GUI, go to the configuration page. Click on Configure Notifications. Click on Configure Destination Paths. Select On-Call Flowers and click on Edit. Click to add an escalation. Select the admin user. Click on Next Step. Select Logger from the commands list and turn on Automatic Notification. Click on Next Step. Select a 2-minute delay and click on Finish. From the command line, send the event UEI Tutorial.events.xml/problem/a -p animal gopher. Note the time is 9:41 p.m. Check Violet's email. The notification email time is 21:41. It will take about 5 minutes for a notification to be sent to Def User. As Def User, check the email with MailX and note the time and print the message. The time is 21:46, 5 minutes after Violet was notified. There are still 2 minutes for Logger to run, approximately 21:48. This is the directory var log, and tail-f messages is running. Tail-f messages prints text as it is added to the file. At 21:48, the notification text is appended to var log messages. Not the cleanest output, but it does demonstrate notifications using external commands. Finally, use send event to resolve the event that triggered the notification that executed the external command. The command is send event UEI tutorial event /resolution /a -p animal = gopher. Note the time is 10:04:59. Note the resolution in var log messages appears at 22:05. It took a little over 10 seconds for the notification external command to complete execution. Check Def Users and Violet's email to verify that all parties have been notified of a resolution. Remember to clean up each user's mailbox. Notifications in this module. Events trigger notifications. Notifications send email to targets. Targets can be users, groups, or on-call roles. There is an initial email notification. There can be an escalation email notification. There is a configurable delay in notifications. An external command can be used instead of an email. Coming up next, Module 5, Alarms.